Hi everyone, this is Maitri from Jenny Penny DIY. In this video I am going to share one of my bottle art project. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, please give your feedback in the comment section below. Let's get started with the project. For this project I first glued some tissue paper on a beer bottle. To paste the tissue paper on the bottle, you can either use mothballs or you can mix wood glue and water. Here I have used wood glue and I have sprayed water in between. After the tissue paper was dried, it gave a nice texture on the bottle. Then I got some ice cream sticks. If you don't have ice cream stick, you can also create a ice cream stick like structure from cardboard. Here I too have used some cardboards to give a ice cream stick like structure to me. As I had a limited number of ice cream sticks with me, then I glued the ice cream sticks on the bottle. You need to wrap the entire bottle using the sticks. Then I got two foam strips of 1 centimeter width each. I used the foam strips to wrap the ice cream sticks around the bottle. If not foam strip, you can use a cardboard strip as well for this. Then I got some leaf cutting from internet. You can draw these leaves as well rather than getting it from internet. Since I don't draw that good, I got these ready-made leaf templates from internet. Then I used the leaf template to get my foam leaf for the project. Then I got some air dry clay and created some small balls out of it. When the balls were drying, I glued the lips to the bottle. Once the balls were dried, I glued them to the bottle. Then I glued the rest of the lips to the bottle. Then I traced some abstract lines on the bottle using a hot glue. Then I applied black gesso all over the bottle. These are some homemade black gesso. In case you want to know how to make black gesso at home, please check the description of this video. I have given a video link where I have explained how to make black gesso at home. Once the gesso was dried, I used white acrylic color on the bottle. Here I am using a sponge dauber to apply the color. A sponge dauber traces the texture better than a brush. So while tracing a texture, I usually prefer to use a sponge dauber rather than using a brush. Here I am using a metallic color. Then at last I used a slight of white acrylic on the texture. The entire process gave me a vintage-like look for my bottle. This is an optional step. You may skip this one. Here I am applying some varnish on the bottle. I have used a matte varnish. Then I finally got my decorated bottle. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the new video notifications from me. I'll be back with some more interesting new projects. Till then, bye bye.